Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a toy opening, and it's going to be a My Little Pony. I got one from Fry's and it's only $3, so I'm going to open it. And it's the blind package, and I don't know which one I'm going to get. So let me open it. I'll come back with you guys when I open it. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. It's like an orange one, a yellow one. The cutie mark is little grapes on it. Also has something else. Has all of them. Okay, there is Twilight Sparkle, Rarity, Bitty Luck, Rainbow Shine, Golden Grape. Yeah, I got Golden Grape. Golden Grape. Rainbow Dash, Ribbon Hearts, Sprinkle, Strut, Berry Shine, Sea Swirl, Love Strick, Meadow Song, Fluttershy, Cherry Berry, Lyra Heartstrings, Noteworthy, Lucky Dreams, Pinkie Pie, Ribbon Wishes, Lavender Flitter, Apple Pumpkin, Candy Apples, Apple Split, and Uncle Orange. I got Golden Grape. Oops. The one I have is Pinkie Pie. This one, I don't think this one's on here, but the other one I have is Raindrop. And then this one is Golden Grape. They're so adorable and I like them so much. They look really cute and I can't wait to get more. So I'm gonna do a shout out. The shout out goes to Oscar Vlogs. He commented in my video, the last one, which is my toys. I get that one, and it was nice because he asked me if I could be in one of his videos, and I'm so happy. So these are the 3 My Little Ponies that I have. So you guys should subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. The question of the day is, what is your favorite My Little Pony? I asked that question last time, so I'm gonna do a different one next video. This is Pinkie Pie, Raindrop, and this one is Golden Grape. And they're so cute. I love all of them and I can't wait to get more. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.